This week's top stories. Ahead of the Manchester Cleaning Show, the British Cleaning Council Exhibitions Board has released a statement. They are urging the cleaning industry to support the event and show that business can take place when a clean environment is at its core. What is FM doing to prepare for post-Brexit trade deals? The chief EU negotiator said that a post-Brexit trade deal between the UK and the EU seems unlikely. We spoke to FM procurement and supply chain professionals about their plans. Could cutting your commute help tackle the climate emergency? Research suggests that reducing your commute by just 1 day per week could save over 379 kilograms of CO2 emissions. That amount of carbon is equivalent to a passenger trip from London to Istanbul. For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.